On the street.
Hello. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
What time is it, please?
It's 5 o'clock.
Thank you. I'm trying to find Central Park. Am I going the right way?
Yes, it's very close. Just walk up that street. You'll see the entrance in about 15 minutes.
Great. I'm a bit thirsty. Is there a store around here to buy some water?
Yes, there's a small corner store right there. They sell drinks and sandwiches.
Perfect. I'll get a ham sandwich if they have one.
They do. The store is open until 8 p.m.
Thank you. One last question. I need a subway ticket. Can I buy one there?
No, not at the corner store. But the subway station entrance is right across the street. You can buy a ticket from the machine there. Be careful. There is often a long line at that machine.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your walk in the park.
On the bus.
Hello. Is this seat free?
Yes, have a seat.
Thank you. Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, all the way to Times Square.
Is it far from here?
About 15 minutes. Is this your first time in New York?
Yes, I'm from Argentina.
Welcome. Have you seen any landmarks yet, like the Statue of Liberty?
Not yet. I also want to visit a museum. Which one do you recommend?
You should visit the big art museum downtown. It's very famous. You can buy tickets online to avoid the line.
Great tip, thank you. And where can I get a good coffee around here?
There are cafes everywhere. There is a really nice coffee shop near the museum.
Perfect. Where should I get off for Times Square?
At the next stop.
Thank you for all your help.
No problem. Enjoy your time in the city.
At the cafe.
Good morning. A table for one?
Yes, please. Can I sit here by the window?
Of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you. I'm ready to order. I'd like a latte with oat milk, please.
One latte with oat milk. Would you like anything to eat with that? We have toast, croissants, and pastries.
Do you have toast with tomato and ham?
Yes, we do.
I'll have that, please, and a small glass of orange juice.
Excellent. I'll bring that right out.
Thank you. By the way, how long will it take?
Not long, about 5 minutes.
Great. Can I also have a glass of still water, please?
Of course. Do you need anything else?
No, that's everything. Where is the restroom?
In the back on the right.
Thank you. I can pay with a credit card later, right?
Yes, whenever you're ready.
At the hotel.
Good afternoon. Is this the Sun Hotel?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Elena Torres.
One moment. Yes, for 3 nights.
That's right.
Your room is on the 3rd floor. It has a double bed, air conditioning, and a TV. The Wi-Fi is free.
Wonderful. Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. and is included. The restaurant is also open for dinner from 8 to 11 p.m.
Great. Do you have vegetarian options for dinner?
Yes, we have salads, pasta, and a very good omelet. The omelet is $8.
Perfect. And is there a pool?
Yes, on the terrace. It's open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Please note that a swimming cap is required.
Good to know. Thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at noon.
Can you call a taxi for me for tomorrow at 11 a.m.?
Of course. Here is your key card. The elevator is on the left. Enjoy your stay.
In the supermarket. Good afternoon. Can I help you find something?
Yes. Where is the fruit section?
In the back on the left.
Thank you. Do you have bananas?
Yes. How many would you like?
3, please. Are they sweet?
Yes, very sweet. We also have red and green apples.
I'll take a pound of the red ones. How much are they per pound?
$4 per pound.
Okay. Do you have grapes today?
Sorry, not today. But we have some nice oranges. They are very good for juice.
Great. I'll take 6 of those. Now I need bread.
The bread is next to the registers.
White bread or whole wheat? Which one is fresher?
The whole wheat was baked this morning.
Perfect. I also need low-fat milk, strawberry yogurt, and a dozen eggs.
The milk and yogurt are in the dairy cooler. The eggs are right next to the cheese.
Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome.
In the clothing store.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for white t-shirts.
They are in the back. Are you looking for short sleeve or long sleeve?
Short sleeve is better for the summer, right?
Yes, definitely. What size are you?
I'm not sure. Maybe a medium?
Here is a medium. The fitting rooms are on the right if you want to try it on.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $10.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it. I'm also looking for a pair of dark blue jeans.
The jeans are over here. What size do you need?
I'm not sure about the size. Can I try these two?
Of course. A belt would go well with those jeans. This one is $8.
I'll think about it. Do you have cotton socks?
Yes, right here. 100% cotton.
Great. I'll take one pair. So the t-shirt, the jeans, and the socks. That's all.
Perfect. You can pay at the register in the front.
Can I return the items if they don't fit?
Yes, you have 15 days with the receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you.
In the park.
Hi. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
Good, thank you. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every Saturday. How about you?
This is my first time here. What's the name of the park?
It's called Sunnyside Park.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just 5 minutes away.
What do you do on the weekend?
I take walks, I read, and sometimes I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. And you?
Comedies and romantic movies. Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, a famous animated movie about a boy who loves music. Do you know it?
Of course. It's a beautiful movie. You said you read. Do you read every day?
Almost every day.
What book are you reading now?
A simple book in German. It's very interesting.
Exciting. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, a lot. I listen to rock and tango.
Do you dance the tango?
No, but I want to learn. There are classes at the community center.
Really? I'd love to go. When are they?
Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Do you go every week?
Yes. Do you want to come with me this Wednesday? You just need comfortable shoes.
I'd love to. How long is the class?
1 hour. We could get a coffee after.
That's a great idea.
Super. So, I'll see you on Wednesday. Let's meet here in the park at 5:30.
Perfect. Thanks. This was a nice conversation.
I think so too. See you Wednesday.
At the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a bad headache. Do you have something for it?
Yes, of course. Do you prefer pills or syrup? The pills work faster.
Pills, please. Do I need a prescription?
No, this is over the counter. Do you have any other symptoms? A fever, maybe?
I'm not sure if I have a fever. Do you have a simple digital thermometer?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'll take one. My throat also hurts a little.
We have honey or mint lozenges. Honey is more soothing for the throat.
I'll take the honey ones. I also have some muscle pain in my arm.
For that, I can give you a sample of an ointment. It works very well.
That would be great, thank you. And a small bottle of hand sanitizer.
Okay, so the headache pills, a digital thermometer, honey lozenges, the ointment sample, and hand sanitizer. Anything else?
No, that's everything.
Your total is $15.
Okay, I'll pay with cash.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
At the train station.
Hello. I'd like a ticket to Boston, please.
Sure. For today? The next train is at 10:30 a.m.
Yes, for that train. How much is a one-way ticket?
$50. A round-trip ticket is $80.
Just one way for now. Is it a direct train?
Yes, nonstop. The trip takes 4 hours.
Perfect. Can I have a window seat, please?
Of course.
Great. I'll pay with a card. Is there a cafe car on the train?
Yes, you can buy coffee, sandwiches, and water there.
Am I allowed to bring my own food?
Yes, that's no problem.
And what is the cancellation policy?
You can cancel up to 1 hour before the departure time.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your ticket and your receipt. Your train leaves from platform 5. The waiting area is over there. Have a good trip.
First day at work.
Hi. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day. I'm Thomas.
I'm Laura. Nice to meet you. Are you looking for the HR office?
Yes, I have an appointment with Martha at 9:30.
She's the head of HR. Her office is on the second floor. She's very punctual.
Thanks. I need to get my ID badge and sign some paperwork.
Martha will help you with all of that.
Great. Can you tell me where the kitchen is? I'd love a coffee.
Of course. It's next to the big conference room. The coffee is free. There are also usually some free cookies.
Fantastic. What time is the lunch break?
From 1 to 2. Sometimes we go out to a bar nearby called the Corner Bistro.
Sounds good. And the restrooms?
In the back, on the right.
Thank you so much for your help.
Of course. Welcome to the team.